Hello guys, Gustavo here, and today I'm going to answer the question, what do you like to eat and what you don't like to eat? So if you want to learn how to answer these questions, stay tuned with this video. Let's go. What I like to eat? Well, I like to eat rice, beans, pasta, lasagna, salad, all kinds of salad. I love salad. I love broccoli. I love cauliflower. All kinds of salad for me look good. I love cow meat. Cow meat is just amazing for me. I just love it. I love chicken. Chicken is also great. I don't do pork. I don't eat pork. No, I'm not Jewish. I'm not Muslim because when I was very young, when I was like 4 or 5 years old, me and my family, we were in my grandpa's house. And then probably it was Christmas and they bought a pig. It was already a slaughtered pig, a big one. I went there to get the pig and they put the pig inside our pickup. So it was a Chevy. And then we went back and I was really disgusted with the bad smell, with the stench. I really didn't want to eat any pork meat, even though, yeah, I eat bacon, I eat bologna. Well, that would be it about the pork, but I really love to eat cow meat, every kind, except liver. I don't like the internal organs in general. I just can't eat liver. I don't like it. It's the taste, the smell is okay, but the taste, the texture, the color, oh god, I just can't eat. Even when I think about it, oh god, it's you know, all due respect for people who like liver. I mean, liver is very, very healthy. It's very helpful, very healthy. I really would love to enjoy eating liver because it's very healthy. It's full of vitamins and minerals. It's very nutritious. And also, it's very cheap because it has a strong taste, and I don't like it. Uh, but I love barbecue, all kinds of barbecue. Here in Brazil, we normally, yeah, we love barbecue as well. We have some of our barbecue is similar to the American barbecue and other, like the regular barbecue. But yeah, I love to eat these things. I love chicken. Ooh, I love chicken. Chicken thighs, chicken breast. Here in Brazil, we like to eat chicken's heart. I like it, but not so much. I mean, I eat it, but it has to be really well done, really well prepared, not well done. It has to be a bit rare. It has to be a bit juicy on the inside and normally like big. I don't know if about health benefits from eating them, but I like them. It's something that normally people from other countries don't eat. If you live in a country that you like to eat chicken heart, tell me in the comments. Oh, I'm from, I don't know, Japan, and we love to eat chicken heart. So just an example. I don't know. I don't know. Just inserted a country here. So yeah, these are the foods that I like and I don't like to eat. Oh, I also like to eat burgers. I love burgers. I love Burger King. I know that Burger King and McDonald's, they may be a bit different from one country to another. When I went, the first time I went to Europe, I ate a lot of McDonald's, and in each country that I was, they had some different dishes, so different options, different hamburger options. It was very nice. But after I tasted Burger King, at least Burger King here in Brazil is awesome. So I didn't want to have any McDonald's because McDonald's look way too artificial, you know? So if you prefer McDonald's, please send in the comments, say something, okay? If you Well, but Team BK, okay? Burger King here is much better. But anyway, and I love like handmade burgers. I love to do them. I love to eat them, to buy them in some places that they make a better one than mine. Like I really love burgers. I like pizza. Pizza is good. For me, burger is much better than pizza. Much better, much better. But it's also good. These are the food that I normally like to eat. Oh, about desserts. I like the Italian ice cream. Awesome. We can consider like some at least Italian ice cream style like Haagen-Dazs and like Ben and Jerry's maybe like it has great quality, at least the ones they sell here, and others like I like this kind of ice cream, real ice cream with whole milk and the bit of sugar and like more natural ice cream. That's the idea. I love acai, although I haven't been drinking it recently. I really prefer the regular the good quality ice cream over acai, but it's also good. I love chocolate, but the dark chocolate, like 60%, 70%, 80%. I love them. Even though I can eat some milk chocolate, but I really don't like it so much. Dark chocolate for me is the best. And that will be it, guys. So thanks a lot for watching this video. So if you really like this video and you didn't like, send a thumbs up. And even if you don't like, if you think that, oh, I watched this video until the end and I think it suck, I think it's terrible, send me a dislike. The dislike will also help me. So, and please comment, what do you like to eat and what you don't like to eat. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you really like that, share with your friends. So if you want to make your English relevant, come with us with Relevant English. See ya.